Hi, thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to take a look at programming UPCs on the fly on the SPS-530. This is an SPS-530R, which just means it has a raised keyboard. The Model 530 has a single receipt unlike the 520, which has a receipt and journal. They both program the same way. So we're going to show you today how to add a UPC on the fly at point of sale. So your customer brings something up to the counter that you've never sold before. So we're just going to scan it, and you'll see here the system is saying PLU is not found, yes or no. So if we want to program this not found PLU right now, all I have to do is press yes on the touchscreen. The very next thing it's going to say or ask for is the price or the halo. In our case, we always just use price. Halo is something else. So we're going to say this is 99 cents. Don't ever use the decimal. It'll place it automatically. As you can see, there's not even a decimal. It'll place the decimal for you automatically. So I put in the price and I hit OK. The next thing it's going to ask us is which PLU status group does this item belong to. Status groups are very important. We've predefined them in most of the machines that we sent out. The status group controls whether the item is taxable or non-taxable, whether it is food stamp eligible or EBT eligible or not. We're going to say that this item is taxable and food stampable. So you can see tax /FS. So I just select that. The next thing it's asking us is the group link number 1. These are your sales categories. In this case, they're pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to say this is soda. Then it takes us to an area where we can go ahead and add the description on the fly. A lot of customers don't do this, but I'm going to go ahead and do it just this one time. If I can find the buttons. And then I'm going to press the OK right there. Now that item is in the system. So if I were to scan it again, you can see it sells the Sprite for 99 cents. There it is again. Let's do another one real quick. Let's do a Coke. So the bottle comes up, you scan it. Again, it's going to ask you, do you want to add this PLU that's not found? Yes, we do. It's going to be 99 cents. Okay. It's going to be in taxable food stamp. It's going to be in the soda department, which is right there. And this time I'm not going to add a name. So it'll just keep it as the UPC number. And it is now in there, and it will continue to sell them. That's how easy it is. It's called PLU Not Found. There are some important steps that we're going to show you in another video, but as you can see, you can add PLUs on the fly very quickly. If you need service or support, call us at 1-800-863-2274 or find us on the web at nbsystems.com.